Okay, so now we are going to see HTML list. HTML list. Control K, Control C. So there are two type of control list, HTML list. One is unordered list, and one is ordered list. So what is the difference between unordered list and the ordered list? The unordered list, it is unordered list, so it means there will be no numbering. But if you have the ordered list, you will have a numbering like 1, 2, 3, and 4. HTML will put automatically these numbers. You don't need to put any numbers. So let's see how we can create a first unordered list. Yeah, I can remove this one. H3 like unordered list. So unordered list, you have to put ul like un and l for list tab, and then you put list item. Li stand for list item. Let's put a coffee. Do shift alt and arrow key down, 1, 2, 3. So you can have tea, you can have milk, you can have bananas. So this is how you can create a unordered list. If you want to change these circles, you can do it by styling it. So you say I want list style as disk. Okay, let's have circle. Yeah, by default is disk, sorry. So the circle, you can have square, and you can have none. So if you put none, then there is nothing. Okay, so this is how you can create unordered list. Now let's create ordered list. For ordered list, you have to the HTML tag is ol ordered list tab, again list item, and then you can put coffee, tea, bananas. This is how you can create. By default the numbering is 1, 2, 3. Well, it always starts from 1, but if you want, you can give your starting number like type e. Yeah, you can say, well, start from as uppercase, capital, alphabet, like, or maybe you can say lowercase.